to the Meraki interview with your happiness coach, Aisha Ghani, wherein we bring you the most inspiring, the most motivating, the most encouraging, and refreshing stories from the people who really do make a difference in the real life. From our real life heroes and heroes who are ready to serve the nation and the world and bring a change in the place that we live in and also make this world a better place. So, today in our episode, it is a very special one for us because it brings light to three students who have taken up efforts in challenging one of the biggest industries of the world. And you know what that is? Yes, I'm talking about the leather industry, ladies and gentlemen. So these three students have actually taken this challenge against an industry which is $1 million industry. And let's see what they have in store. And let's see how we can actually make a difference in the world that we stay in. How can we fight against animal cruelty? And do we actually have a realistic alternative to leather in the country? And today I have Nandini, Vrinda, and Rahul with me. They are a part of the project Agni. So my first question to you three leaders, what were the stages? What were the various stages for this idea formulation of Project Agni? And what is the vision behind it?
Thank you so much, Aisha ma'am. That was really sweet to begin with. So, I grew up in Kanpur. So, as everyone knows throughout India, that Kanpur is the leather capital of India. So, since I spent my 18 years living in the city, a lot of times I have myself seen the manufacturing of leather and how the process of leather tanning goes. And everyone outside this industry just perceives it as very luxurious, very glamorous, that yes, I have a leather bag, I own a leather brand or something. But I myself have seen how the process works. I can't even quantify how many animals are slaughtered in the process. So we thought yes, we are making a product. Isn't there something that we can do to help these women who are basically being assaulted, and no one's actually paying attention because of the patriarchal society we have? No one's actually paying attention to these women. So what we decided was that we are going to give them the opportunity to manufacture our products, and whatever profit we get, it's going to be distributed, like 70% profit goes to them. So we're really proud that we're not only saving the environment but also helping humans. So that's the short story of our project through which we aim to bring about a change.
Wow. I am so overwhelmed and I am so ecstatic, honestly. So you said I while you were speaking, I had multiple wow moments because I believe it is not just one or two things that you have tackled. It's like multiple issues that has been framed up in a beautiful box, and it has been served as a mirror to the society. I think it is wonderful. We are trying to get vegan, but still you use a Chanel bag. How which world is that justified in? Correct. So all my darling girls, all my designer friends and colleagues, this is your time to show and prove your loyalty towards the things that you truly stand for. Come on, let us all stand up against leather. Let us all join hands for Project Agni, and let us all come together for a more sustainable future. Rahul, can you show us the product, please?
Yeah, this is our first prototype. It was a pouch made out of fire hoses, and yeah, this is the pouch. If you can see it properly.
Yes, I can. I love the texture. In fact, it has this nice grainy texture, which is actually that of a leather.
So yeah, apart from being like a good utility product, it also gives you a feel of sort of, having something like this material might have, saved so many lives during the time span of this thing.
You'll be able to sleep peacefully and own a leather bag at the same time. How nice is that? So there are like multiple great things that we are together doing under one big roof, which is Project Agni. I am so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. And another thing that I have been told is, you guys, because it is such a wonderful initiative, I am not surprised that the Rotary Club of Delhi also became a part of this. And how did that happen? How did that undergo? Tell me all about it.
Since the project started last year, we, as Nandini said, that we got to know about the increase in the cases of the domestic violence. this year, 2020 and 2021, it has been at a 10-year high. So with this idea, we collaborated with the Rotary Club Delhi, Connaught Place, wherein we'll be providing employment to around 30 such women who have already been trained by the club in stitching.
30 plus women, you said, Vrinda.
Yes.
So we are already making a difference, and it said छोटे बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है, and I think starting off with 30 women, it is 30 महिलाएं, मतलब, और कहते हैं कि महिला जो होती है, एक औरत पूरे परिवार का एक सूत्रधार होती है.
Yes.
She is the connecting bond for the entire family, and when you help one woman, you're not just helping her but her entire family, which is generally, अगर इंडिया की बात करें तो 5 से 6 लोग एक परिवार में होते हैं. So 30 into 6, आप करिए, मेरी मैथ्स अच्छी नहीं है, लेकिन but I think it's a lot of people that we are helping with Project Agni. So congratulations to that.
Yes.
And I believe you also have an e-commerce website where we can make direct purchases. Would you like to tell us about that, please?
Yeah, the website is www.agni.inactusnsut.com.
So all the guys and the girls, I'm also saying guys because this is what you can give to your girlfriend and say this is the new Chanel in the house, baby. Right? With this thought and the hopes in our heart that Project Agni is going to be one of the biggest projects that our country has seen, and it is going to get into the big league, I congratulate you three. Thank you so much for joining us today on the Meraki interview. Thank you again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you so much.